collision repair course is designed to give students a thorough knowledge of the repair of damaged automobiles and trucks. A collision repair technician is a skilled craftsman that repairs damaged vehicles and restores them to pre-accident conditions. This includes conventional and unitized body structural damage and paint refinishing. This program utilizes the DuPont Automotive Paint Booth, along with a professional mixing station, as well as frame straightening and everything found in a professional body shop. Today we are highlighting Patrick Facto, a member of the collision repair program. Patrick states that his favorite part of the program is learning the skills for working on vehicles that he could not get anywhere else. He also loves learning how to paint vehicles. Patrick's instructor, Mr. Geisner, says, "Patrick is an outstanding student who will do whatever is asked of him. I can count on him to take on an extra challenge and work it through to completion. A real team player, he is friendly, helpful, and is currently our shop foreman. He takes his work seriously and will receive the Award of Excellence from the Career and Technology Center Collision Repair Certificate Program. There isn't anything Patrick cannot accomplish if he puts his mind to it. I look forward to watching him succeed in his future." Patrick is a senior from Liberty High School, where he is a member of the FFA, is on the varsity wrestling team, and is a member of the golf team. When Patrick is not in school, he can be found working at the Willow Springs Golf Course doing grounds work or working for Westminster Lawn Service. He is also a volunteer firefighter at the Sykesville Fire Department. His passions include hunting, fishing, working on cars, playing golf, and spending time with friends and family. After graduation, Patrick plans to enter the workforce and hopes to be a BGE technician.